Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an email inside HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see, currently I'm in my integrations menu in my settings, and I'm going to be going over into the marketing tab to show you guys how to create an email. Now, emails are a marketing tool, so we're going to go ahead and click on that, and we're going to get to our list of emails. As you can see, I have a ton of them already, but what you're going to want to do to create a new one is click create an email in the top right, and then select the type of email you want. You can select regular or blog for free, and you can also use the automated one if you have a plan which supports it. I'm just going to select regular and then click next. And this is going to take you to the templates tab. You can create a new template if you have a paid plan. If you don't, you can use free templates which are available to you, or just start from scratch, which I will be doing. And then once you click on the template, you can edit it however you want. As you can see, I don't have anything here, so I'm just going to add a couple of text objects right over here. And once you add them, you can then further customize them by clicking on them and using the options in the left, or you can add more objects as well as change the design of the email. Up top, click the pencil to rename the email. I'm just going to name it email. Then go over into the settings tab, set up the from name and address, which are by default set to your own. Add the subject line and name the internal email name, which we just did by clicking on the pencil. And you can also set up the subscription type, which is automatically set. However, you can add others if you want to. Then you need to edit your office location and add that. I don't have one, so I won't do it, but that is required to send your emails for legal reasons. Then you need to select your recipients, but you can optionally choose which ones you don't want to send to. And if you don't want to send it to unengaged contacts, then select whether you want to send it now or schedule for later. And once you're done, add any automations if you need them. Click review and send, and that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.